Alright, so at the end of last episode, you saw us back the old Ford out. Not gonna lie, we pulled some movie magic on you. About 2 seconds after it backed up maybe 6 feet, it quit. And we're pretty sure it's because of the fuel filter. So, as you can see, this is the old one. This is the new one. This was a bear to get out, but we finally just got it like 2 seconds ago. I think there's a clip of David getting gas sprayed all over him. But now the new guy's going in and we're gonna see if she'll run. All right, so we just got the fuel filter put in. We just grabbed the battery out of my truck and threw it in here. And now, in theory, when I turn this key, it should start and run. If it does, hopefully, we're gonna let it run and make sure that the thermostat opens. We replaced it, I don't even know how long ago now, and we've never actually had the truck running long enough to see if we installed it correctly. So here goes.
So the truck was just running the greatest it's ever run before, and it started to overheat, and we're looking around and we finally look down in there and see that that lower radiator hose was just completely off the fitting with all this junk inside there. But we're just going to get rid of that, put on a new clamp, and call it a day.
So apparently there wasn't a hose clamp on the bottom rad hose, and when the thermostat opened, all the water just gushed out because the hose popped off. So we got a new clamp on it. We're gonna start it up and see if it moves.
We were in the truck and driving. Oh shoot! We have no power steering also, by the way.
Oh, the last thing I need is to crash into the neighbor's car.
This unregistered piece of
Yeah.
Oh shit!
She got speed.
Neighbors are looking at us. We have no bed on the back of the truck. We're just clunking down the road. Alright, time for a 10-point turn.
Yeah, for real.
These tires are also very flat. I'm so glad this thing drives though.
Gotta swing wide. Turning radius, not impressive.
You're good. You're good. All right, and back her on it.
Dude, this is like real. How do people drive before power steering?
I don't know. We should just say screw it and just install a manual steering rack in this thing, because it would be easier.
I think the tires are
very flat.
really bad.
I wonder how you're going to be able to turn into the driveway.
That's going to be interesting.
Yeah, I don't think we're taking this thing anywhere.
No, not until the power steering is fixed. It's running cool though.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, getting on her. God, this thing clunks in reverse too.
Yeah, it does. Alright, so we got the Ford alive. It runs pretty well actually. We replaced the fuel filter, we fixed the lower rad hose, and we drove it around the block, but there are still a few things that need to be addressed. Power steering is number one, tires, and we got to put the bed back on obviously. So there are a few other things that we still got to do. But we made some great progress, and it's actually moving around under its own power now.
If you want to see us do all those things to the truck, make sure you click subscribe. Go ahead and leave a comment and like the video if you did. And thank you guys for 500 subscribers, and we'll see you in the next episode of Grandpa's Garage.